Alright, welcome to this edition of the Mediocre Maintenance Man. We are pulling posts. This is round 2. Alright, so some of you guys made some comments on my first video. Some of you were really angry about not being able to get a truck into your backyard. And so I never said it was the only way to pull posts. It was a way. Okay, so, but since some of you were so angry about the truck being involved, I thought we'd do a video on doing it without the vehicle. No truck this time. Okay? So the first option, I had a post right here, okay, and it was a little loose. So I thought, I'll wiggle it. Wiggling is an option. Okay, you wiggle it, get it loose, okay? But let me recommend, if you're going to wiggle it, do the push method only. Push, and then move to the side. Push, push, push. Do not pull towards you when you are doing the wiggle method, because if you do, depending on your level of strength, you might break the post off in the pull motion, and that would mean you would split your head open. Not that that's what I did, but that's what I did. All right. So watch out. Be careful on the wiggle method. Push only, rotating around the post. Avoid this. Got it? All right. All right. So now we got the next post. Notice this is tight. This is in the ground. Super good. I'm not going to pull too hard because I break posts. No, I don't even mean to. All right. So this tight. I'm pretty sure there's concrete in there. We're going to use the lever method. Okay, my lever in this instance is an 8-foot long 2x6. I drilled a 1/2-inch hole in it, I don't know, about 1 foot from the end. And then I have a 1/2-inch bit on my drill. That's how I drilled a 1/2-inch hole. Think about that. So I'm going to line this up here. This method I got from somebody who's apparently a lot smarter than me, and so I'm stealing it. I'll put the link, I'll give him credit down in the description. So anyway, so I got a fulcrum here for my lever, and I'm going to line this up, and I'm going to drill a 1/2-inch hole through the post.
Kevin.
Alright, so I drilled a 1/2-inch hole all the way through the post. Now you could argue, it's not argue right now, but I'm going to use a 1/2-inch lag bolt that's 6 inches long. Let's just do it. Alright, so you might want to have multiple lag bolts because this could happen to one of them.
Oh my gosh.
More. So I'm just drilling all the way through the post with a 1/2-inch hole. I'm not putting a nut on the other end of this. There's no way you put a nut on it. I just want to get all the way through just because it's faster. I don't want to try to drill this in and screw it into the post and hold it on. You can do that if you want. Just trying to be a little faster, but you might go through a bolt or two. All right. Or screw, lag screw. All right, so I got the hole drilled. Put this in here. Tap it all the way in. Alright, now for the magic of leverage. I'm going to lift this up and we'll see if anything happens over there. Can you see everything? Alright, let's see what happens. Oops. Alright. So that broke my lever. There was too much force, apparently. So it started to come up though. Did you see that?
to see that.
Let's see what we're gonna do now. An idea. We're gonna try a new hole. What do you guys think of that?
Sounds good to me.
Okay. Alright, that might not come out of there. I don't know. Alright, so we raised that up a little bit, so we're going to get... Alright, what do you guys think? What are the odds?
I think it'll work.
You were wrong. Alright, so... I got a fresh end here. See about that. Alright. Holy cow. Really don't want this to break and hit me in the face. That's my goal right now.
Nice.
Might be good to get a 10-foot board. Huh? I can hear the internet cheers right now. Woo!
Dang.
All right. There you go. Quite a bit of concrete over here on this side. Anyway, so that's one way to do it. You should be careful. Take caution. Don't hit yourself in the face. Be careful about breaking your board, your lever. All right, next time we're going to just pull it up with no lever. All right. One of the comments on my last video said if he was strong, he would just pull it up. So, all right, challenge accepted. Let's see. Careful on the wiggle. This is the way you do it. This pushing away. So, do that. So, there you go. Yeah. Very strong for you. All right. So this post is really sturdy. It hardly moves at all. So we'll see. This is called the kick method, right? And this, then finish with the lean method. There you go.
Works every time.
Another method, yep, works every time. Not every time, sometimes. Still pulling posts. Got one last post. This method I call when the concrete is so far in the ground, and the tree is grown around the post method. Okay.
That's a long
not pulling
name.
Huh?
That's a really long name
Yeah.
for a method.
It's descriptive.
Hmm.
Yeah. So anyway, so for this one, I thought we'd give a special edition to use the chainsaw. Because I'm not going to put number one, I'm not putting the fence back, and number two, if I put the fence back, I'm not putting the post back there in the tree. Okay, so, all right, let's see if we can start the chainsaw.